Here's an idea for you. Why don't you earn $14 to $22 an hour teaching English online with VIP Kid? Let's learn how. Yeah, that's right. You can earn $14 to $22 per hour teaching English online to Chinese kids. You'll enjoy flexibility and can work from home or anywhere else that you want to work. And you can also set your own schedule. VIP Kid provides the lesson plans and communicates with the parents. So you just need a computer and be passionate about teaching English. And currently VIP Kid has over 200,000 students from 30 cities. So what is VIP Kid? Well, VIP Kid is linking the world through education by providing an international learning experience that allows people like you to teach Chinese children from the comfort of your own home. So what are VIP Kid teachers saying about VIP Kid? Trisha R says, "This year I taught with VIP Kid and it has been amazing. I get to teach, but I don't spend hours planning and the curriculum has an engaging scope." And Donna D says, "VIP Kid is an amazing opportunity for teachers who, like myself, had to take a hiatus for whatever reason, or even for those teachers that want a little extra income on the side." So let's learn a little bit more about VIP Kid. So when you first sign up to VIP Kid, you'll need to book an interview. And that interview is to test your equipment and your English language skills, and also to make sure you can maintain a 30-minute smooth connection with a server in China. So what services do VIP Kid provide? Well, VIP Kid provides an international learning experience to children in China between the ages of 4 to 12. It's headquartered in Beijing and offers fully immersive one-on-one English language instructions. So can you apply to a VIP Kid if you don't have a bachelor's degree? Well, VIP Kid is very strict on applicants and you should have at least a bachelor's degree in teaching before applying. So what sort of money can you earn with VIP Kid? Well, each class is around 30 minutes, so you're earning between $7 to $9 per 30-minute session. Plus, there's a few extra bonuses, which could take you anywhere up to $11. So ultimately, you're earning between $14 to $22 an hour. And as I've said before, you can work on your own schedule, and this could be a great way to earn some extra income. So if you're a teacher and you want to earn some extra money online, well, have a look at VIP Kid and help kids to learn English. I'll put a link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to discover more ways to earn money online. So that's all I've got time for today. Until next time, it's bye for now.